Based on user feedback, we focused on 3 areas of improvement in our next generation geospatial analysis module. Number 1, performance improvements. Number 2, making it easier to use. And number 3, adding a lot more GIS functionalities. These 3 are the foundations of architecting this platform for future analytics and expansion. And we plan to continue to grow this tool into a serious spatial analytics platform once we've established this solid base. All geospatial analyses that involve GIS layers, including AIR events, custom events, world scenarios, and custom boundaries, will see significant performance improvements. These improvements are realized because of the difference in the way we store GIS layers in the software in 5.1. We've moved the GIS layers out of the database and stored them as files so that the analysis can be distributed across multiple cores, dramatically improving performance. The same improvements have been made in ring analysis that result in dramatic improvements, and particularly in the dynamic ring analysis. Also, these analyses will perform faster the more cores you have, and the improvements are geared towards large books of data. So in past versions of Touchstone, our geospatial module did a lot of great things, but it had a bit of a steep learning curve. Plus, the mapping was separate from the configuration screen. We've improved this by integrating the map right into the analysis setup to allow visualization, both while configuring an analysis and outside of configuration. Making every analysis standardized into a 3-step process, and based on what you set up, your analysis options are also streamlined. So it will be a lot easier to learn this module. Finally, we've made this architecture more expandable so that we can bring in other analyses in the future. My favorite improvement is a feature that can be critical in real-time analytics. You know the all too familiar cone of uncertainty and hurricane paths that you see in weather maps or other websites when a hurricane is impending? Imagine you can see that into Touchstone. In 5.1, you can do so. And not only hurricane paths, you can configure web map services from many agencies, including your own company's web servers, that provide data for earthquakes, wildfires, hurricanes, and even weather to visualize your exposures on. We plan to provide more analytics around workflows, more GIS tools, more visualization of results on the map. Now that we have built a solid foundation in 5.1, we're just embarking on a path to provide a lot more spatial analytics.